Welcome viewers. Today we are going to draw ladyfingers, the vegetable, not the sweet treat. Start by drawing a long slim shape to represent the ladyfinger. Add small lines along the length to create a bumpy texture. Now draw a cute face on the top of your ladyfinger. Let's give our ladyfinger some arms. Draw two thin lines extending from the sides. Don't forget to add small hands at the end of each arm. Simple circles will do. Add small circles at the end for the ladyfinger's feet. Time to add some color. Ladyfingers are usually green, so grab your green crayon or pencil. Color the entire ladyfinger but leave the face uncolored for now. Once the green is done, add a touch of pink for the cheeks and a warm yellow for the smile. Let's make our ladyfinger even more interesting. Draw tiny flowers or hearts around it. If you want, you can draw a garden scene around your ladyfinger with other vegetables and flowers. Now, go ahead and color in the background. Blue for the sky and green for the grass works well. For added fun, name your ladyfinger character. Feel free to experiment with different expressions on your ladyfinger's face for extra personality. Now that you have mastered drawing ladyfingers, challenge yourself to draw a whole vegetable garden. Where does she live and who are her friends? Drawing is a great way to relax and let your imagination soar. Embrace the joy of creating. Let me know in the comments what other vegetables you should like to see me draw in future videos. Inspection, any last minute details to add. I hope you had a blast drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Feel free to share your ladyfinger drawings on social media with the hashtag. Thank you for joining me on this ladyfinger drawing adventure. Happy drawing. Thanks for watching this video.